Good morning, students. Welcome to science class. Today's our topic is microorganism, friend and microorganism. Micro means those organisms which cannot be seen by our naked eye are called as microorganism. Means we are talking about those organisms to which we are unable to see without the help of microscope. Microorganism, those organisms which cannot be seen by our naked eye or unaided eyes. Some of them can be seen by the magnifying glass, but other cannot be seen without the help of microscope. You are seeing here the microscope. With the help of microscope, we can see the microorganism. Now the classification of the microbes. How many type of microorganism found in our nature? The first one is bacteria, second one is fungi, third one is algae, and the fourth one is protozoa. You can see here the 5 categories, and the fifth one is the virus, which is placed in the first position. Why? Because it is the very small in comparison to the all other microorganisms, so it is placed in the first position. But virus is not classified in the group of microbes because virus is a connecting link in between the living and non-living. Why? Let's go. Viruses have an inner core of nucleic acid surrounded by protein core. हर वायरस में न्यूक्लिक एसिड होता है जो चारों ओर से प्रोटीन कोड से सराउंडेड होता है. द सेकेंड वन इज वायरसेस आर इनर्ट न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन. वायरसेस का न्यूक्लियोप्रोटीन जो होता है इनर्ट टाइप का होता है. वायरसेस आर ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट. इंट्रासेलुलर पैरासाइट मीन्स वायरस जो होते हैं ये 100% पैरासाइट्स होते हैं जो टोटली लिविंग बींग से ही अपना न्यूट्रिशन लेते हैं. वायरस ऑक्यूपाई अ स्पेस इन बिटवीन द लिविंग एंड नॉन लिविंग बिकॉज दे आर क्रिस्टलाइजेबल एंड नॉन लिविंग आउटसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ द होस्ट. वायरसेस नॉन लिविंग क्यों हैं? क्योंकि इनको क्रिस्टलाइज किया जा सकता है और ये होस्ट के बॉडी के बाहर सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते हैं. दे आर फुली डिपेंड ऑन द होस्ट सेल मशीनरी because virus does not have their own enzyme system, any kind of system, so they totally depend on the host cell machinery, due to which the virus is called as non-living. Then why virus is called as living? Because they can spread disease, they can multiply inside the host cell, so they are called as living. Disease causing viruses. There are two types of viruses on the basis of disease causing an organism. The first one is plant virus and the second one is animal virus. Plant viruses cause the disease in plants, animal virus cause the disease in animal. For example, tobacco mosaic virus which cause the mosaic disease in tobacco plant. Second is cucumber mosaic virus. Third one is barley yellow dwarf virus. Fourth is bud blight of soybean. In animal category, here are some viruses which cause the disease in human being. For example, first one is papoviruses which cause the tumor in animals. Second one is coronavirus which is at the bilkul existing time. At the time you are facing the problem of COVID-19 and it is spread by the coronavirus. And what causes it? It causes the respiratory syndrome. The third one is herpes virus which causes the cancer. Fourth one is pox virus, smallpox, cowpox, chickenpox, you have known about it. And the fifth one is rabies virus which is a zoonotic neuroinvasive disease. Rabies is a chronic disease which is caused due to the bite of the animals such like dog, wolf, etc. Bacteria. The another category of microorganism is the bacteria. Bacteria contains a well-developed cell structure. They are also all of following types. बैक्टीरिया एक वेल डेवलप स्ट्रक्चर है जो फॉलोइंग टाइप के होते हैं. नंबर वन इज कोकस विच इज सर्कुलर इन नेचर. सेकेंड वन इज बेसिलस विच इज रॉड शेप्ड. थर्ड वन इज Spirilla, which is spiral in shape, Cocobacillus, which is rod shaped as well as spherical, and Filamentous, which is elongated. But the another classification is there on the basis of gram staining. The first one is gram positive bacteria and the second one is gram negative bacteria. What is the classification and what is the criteria for the classification? These bacteria, gram positive bacteria means those bacteria which give a positive result to the gram staining test, indicating the presence of thick cell wall. And what is the gram staining? Gram staining means when the bacterial sample is colored with crystal violet, iodine, and then white with the alcohol, then those bacteria which retain the color is called as gram positive, but those bacteria which does not retain the color are called as gram negative. Now the question arises, why gram positive bacteria retain the color and gram positive does not? The answer is that gram negative bacteria has the capsule around their body, means around their cell, which could not absorb the stain color. So after the washing with the alcohol, the color gets removed, so they are called as gram negative. But in gram positive, the surface is rough without capsulated, so they retain the color and called as gram positive bacteria. Thank you.